Hello, in front of me I've got Omoda 9. In this video I'll show you how to customize ambient lighting and synchronize with music. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display. From homepage, let's go to atmosphere lamp. Right here, first you can change mode of the ambient lighting. Then you can adjust colors manually for certain modes. Next you can change effect between off, static, breathing, glowing. Then you can change zone control. And in the end, you can adjust brightness. If you want to synchronize lighting panel in the center with music, tap in the top left corner and select music rhythm. Confirm and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.